This thing's solid.
Oh, I know why I can't get rid of it.
I'm stoked about what we're doing right now. Welcome to Battleborn Off-Road. We are back, and we've got a packed shop today. I've got a GMC Sierra getting a Fox 2.0 upgrade with Cognito control arms. I've got that Sprinter van back there getting a Van Compass suspension lift and some heavier rate leaf springs. We've got a Ford Raptor in the way back getting a collar lift and a 4Runner on the alignment rack. Here, this is the main story. I've got this brand new Super Duty, and we basically threw the entire Carli catalog at it. We also got some 38-inch tires on there. Let's take a look. So we have the entire Carli Dominator system on here with all the options, from the front torsion sway bar, the radius arms. We've even got a set of full travel airbags out back. Let me show you what makes this Carli Dominator system different. First of all, it's got the biggest shocks available. You got the King 3.0s on here, and if you are all about off-road like this customer is, those are going to be able to handle all the abuse you can throw at it while still riding awesome when you're driving the truck day to day. In addition to that, we've got that torsion sway bar. That's going to free up the front end, and then the full travel bags. So we have the Carli leaf spring pack on there. That's a lot more progressive feeling. Again, designed for off-road use, but you lose a little bit of weight carrying capability with that leaf spring pack. So to make up for that, we've got the full travel airbag system. This system's really cool. And basically, it's not connected at the bottom on the leaf spring side. It has a cup, and you may have seen cup systems with other brands, but this is a little different. And what you do is you have a spacer in here. It's super easy to remove. It just has a little tab on it, and you pull it straight out. And there you go. You can see the cup. That's what the bag sits in when it is inflated. But when you want to take the truck out on the trail, you remove these completely. There's enough space in there where the leaf spring's not going to make contact with the bag, and that gives you full articulation and full travel. With this Carli system and its longer shocks, we're going to get about 13 inches of travel out back. This is one of the most badass off-road suspensions you can get for the new Super Duty. What makes it different from the other kits that are available from Carli is just what I mentioned, that 3.0 shocks and relocating the shock mounts on the back of the truck. You're gonna have 10 inches of travel up front, 13 inches out back. It's gonna allow you to fit 38-inch tires. It makes it an off-road beast. This customer went with a nice set of wheel and tires. We've got the Toyo RT Trails on there. They look great, and again, it's all about off-road performance. This truck is gonna tow a boat, it is gonna tow a UTV, but it's also gonna be his play toy. He lives down in Havasu, a lot of trails not too far from where he lives. And sometimes after work, you just wanna go for a quick rip. This is the system that can do it and get him home safely. The hardest part about installing this kit is the rear shock mounts. You do have to weld a new shock mount on there. There is some welding required on the front as well with the limit strap tabs. So you're gonna have to have a competent shop install it for you if you're not able to weld it yourself. Other than that, it's a pretty straightforward lift kit, but it's got a lot of trick parts on it that give it awesome performance. Now the initial valving on this feels really kind of soft. The second I hit that bump, floats right over it. Smash this curb, and look at that. It rolls right over it. We're going about 20 miles an hour right now. Here's another one, hit it at 30, boom. And we just float over it. One-handed driving. I have a ton of confidence in this. Boom, super smooth. Hey, that Super Duty was really cool. Carli Dominator suspension system, 38-inch tires. It's an off-road beast. But you know what? That's one end of the spectrum. Not everyone is looking for that. Some people just want a good ride, a little bit more lift, and a basic wheel tire package that looks great and performs. Check out this GMC Sierra 1500 we got in here. This has the Fox 2.0 snap ring system, a very basic suspension system that reuses your stock factory springs. Has a snap ring style adjustment on the front and will give you up to 2 inches of lift. We matched the back with a set of Fox 2.0 shocks, and we threw a Cognito control arm up front as well, just to get that alignment right where we want it. Inexpensive, but still performs, rides way better than factory. And on a truck like this, makes it look good and allows you to fit that wheel and tire package without breaking the bank. Well, that's 2 down, but we got plenty more to go. That Super Duty, awesome truck. Customer's part of our out-of-state program. He's coming up from Arizona. He'll be picking that up Friday. But as you can see, in the short time that we've been filming, we've already got another truck in here. Toyota Sequoia, getting a Westcott lift kit, getting a Yoda Works tune. It's gonna look great, it's gonna be fast, cool build. We've got plenty more to do here at Battleborn Off-Road. Be sure to check out the rest of our socials. Catch you on the next one.